in this bitch like.
Woke up at 6:30 here in Hawaii. Checking out the view. Trying to jump out this window right now. Okay guys, just got dressed, got my coffee. Now to the beach. Alright, we're here. Finally at the beach. I don't even know what this beach is called, but it's in Waikiki. I go to it sometimes. But the place that I'm going to is called Silver Stairs. And I just parked the Jeep here. And now we're gonna go skate to it. And then maybe after that, take some drone footage. Hawaii ne? Oh, second vlog in Hawaii. Like I said, I've been traveling the world for 2 years. Haven't been here, but I was born here. Here's this little beach where everybody surfs. Look at that water. If you ever feel like freeing up your time to do something that you want to do, any passion that you want to have, definitely, I'd say from experience, go straight for it and never stop. Just never stop. I'm not going to talk too much because these views are too nice. I'm going to put the drone up in the sky. We'll make this a short vlog. Alright, that was super weird. Like, I took off the drone. You saw like it was going kind of crazy over there. I got some kind of good view. But then like at some point, the drone just started like guiding weird. It couldn't calibrate. And then it was like, there's some kind of magnetic field disturbance. And I realized like all these bricks and all of these things here, there's like metal. There's like metal inside of like all of this area throughout the wall and under. I don't even know what's going on, but probably has something to do with a lot of the metal here. So instead of flying the drone here, maybe we'll move it somewhere else, and I'm gonna go swim in the water for a little bit. About it. Sorry to get so deep, but you know, it's kind of why I come here. That's why I love Hawaii so much. It's my home, and it's been so long. I've been in the beaches of Greece, other places around the world, but nothing compares to that feeling of being in the water and in this place that you were born and been swimming in your whole life. And I hope to share that knowledge with you guys, that kind of feeling of being able to be free in that way. So on that side, there's a little pocket area where you can hang out. Over there, there's a surfing area. Everybody each morning goes and surfs. It's super cool. Down here is the classical Waikiki beach if you keep going down that way. And over here is just that secret spot not a lot of people know about, where you can just hang out, chill, have fun. relax with your inner state of mind, and go for swims under the water. Just finished at the beach. So it's such an amazing view. Get to meditate in those waters, hang out. There's just something so spiritual about it, and I'd just like to share that with you guys. If you can see any of this, it's just so amazing. So today, before this day ends, I'm gonna take the drone up somewhere else and get a nice sunset drone shot. All right, guys, shoot. What's up, guys? I decided that the vlog is not over. Make it just a little bit longer for a pretty cool view. I had a little bit of extra time this morning to do something. On the way back, I was skating. I broke my slipper, so I had to get some new slippers, sandals, whatever. And we're gonna go hike up, not this mountain, that's for another day, but this mountain up here. And I'm gonna take some actual nice, hopefully actually nice drone shots, because my drone almost died in the Hawaii ocean, and that would not have been good. Really challenging hike because it just goes like straight up. But we're gonna go actually over here, which is like the Hanama Bay hike, which is like a bay area that kind of expanses around this crater-like area with a bunch of really nice fish inside, clean water, and it's like a nature reserve. We're here, boys and girls and everybody in between. We're just going up this mound. I took the drone up, got some good still shots. I only got that remote receiver thing like a few days ago, or no, but like a week ago. So I'm still kind of not used to the controls, but super cool, super fun. So really happy about that. We got to redeem ourselves on that drone shot. Okay, I'll see you guys in a little bit for sunset, and peace.